5:44 in the morning. We got an early one today. It is also a cold one. 26 degrees today, so we're bundled up. Probably not gonna start recording until I'm at the first job. See you there. Brookline. All this is coming down. 23 sections of vinyl going up.
Is this ours? Nick?
Huh?
It's us?
Is that us? No,
yeah.
That was here.
Right here, take this.
Panels on one side.
So we gonna put this on the bottom?
Huh?
We gonna put this on the bottom?
Yeah, you can. Because it won't stick up because of the back. You want to lift that one a little bit?
Alright, this one here, be careful because there's electrical inside.
Huh?
We have to find the electrical line in here. And we have to put it on the new post. Probably dig out there.
Okay. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, and there's a gas line over there.
Huh?
We'll need 1.5" here too.
Yeah, plenty of it.
I think I have enough for both jaws. I think I have enough for 3 posts, so we need 6 on that job.
How many do you need?
This kid's smiling at himself today.
What?
He's smiling at himself today.
Had to take all the material off to load the takedown. We're moving.
One of those like things the snow and shooting it over to the other side of the highway.
I saw
He
that.
caused like a 40 car accident.
I saw that.
I was crying laughing. Who does
Big quality. Fucking shit.
Parker, my cousin Brandon, RJ, Mike. They used to legit have competitions on what they could break the concrete bag open with. Accomplishment! RJ tried to headbutt one. And he goes, legit got concussion.
That's what I'm digging right here.
Yeah.
John, come here.
Where's that mat?
Why?
You have to like do a bunch of tags, like a bunch of hashtags.
I'm gonna do a bunch of tags. I'm gonna get a whole description. So
Yeah, drill with a Phillips. He wants to take this off.
drill with the Phillips. Phillips 2.
It was like
Is it?
600.
Not great.
What?
Is this thing good?
I have my own opinion. I like my Bosch.
The plug right there.
I like my.
What's this type of fence called?
This is Aspen.
Aspen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I've seen it in 6 foot, not 4 foot.
Put out right now.
Yeah, this channel's a little funky. Nice.
What the hell's that?
27. Line post.
Put the digger on the truck.
Curve.
On a 4 foot, right, John?
Yeah, there you go. If you got it.
Boss showed you.
Antonio too.
No money.
Continuing the takedown. Get a little time lapse. Takedown's coming along.
Number 3.
Pull it up.
I can't. Let me in. Let me in. No, get on it with me.
Fence is all down. Couple posts still that are concreted in, so I'm gonna leave those for tomorrow. Make it a tomorrow problem. I'd say she's loaded. Go work today. Takedowns all out. We'll have the vinyl in by tomorrow. 2-day job. I will. All right, see you tomorrow.